Honorable Speaker, sir, hang tawrami tawon jab na tida. Democracy nina freedom of expression, freedom of gathering, freedom of kanogi khogi expression gi madugi dusu honor tok do ya ba government moina. Adugum ba poto de ko yam hardly hekta dil to bodu nungai ta ba ya da ba leibagi tawbuni adu situation ya ta pham de ko edum phari puli phuri adu mayam na dum ubirong gani jaga jaga khudimakta aduga Henzil Lapudi Aroi. Normally, Kara Togzabadu, Kuji Praza Masini and the Yang Nabuani, Henzil Lapudi Aroi, and the Simta Tamsi. Democratic country, Magoiba, freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of gathering. Mayam Henry Kangi, Masil Natan in a Yam Kahen, I had a force it and got so open. Nang ba tawba su ya da ba misi mina thon na bu hona ba the public ki moi gi haining ba khoning ba su ya ring gai anti national oi ba anti state oi ba pot to honda na su hona ba adu gi potuni hill hari ba district ani home sidana te dum manipur da dum ngasi dagi sahi kun ko thai ma da gi dum play get paira ga ma ya pamba ning mu dum sana ba da yam kanna Ukrul the Kangde, Sanapati the Kangde, Tamil the Kangde, Sandil the Kangde, Soshampu Kangde, Impal Kangde, Tawal Kangde. The young Kahana Sui Puna Hector, Captain of Cotton Taurubasu, Yadabatu Gumbagi Pona. Intelligencing Paula Iragasu, Uziki Pot to suddenly the Vina Moidi Ahan, but the Moina Hidi Mi Karakatani, such a Sumna Tawudamni, Haramania, suddenly me, Tomzilla Nakan and the Gilambi Nakan the Gitola Tobu, Adumasu talked about it. Adugumba. Singdudagi suddenly oigiba the tokpani and the tokpudu ikoi pau khangbadagi security kari ge khara tawrkana moida yam ka he mathabak dogana batorga koi disperse fajana tawkhibani speaker sir sigi hojik tawra is voluntarily tholapani yum da leiraga oireiba thogdok the pen dabadagi suddenly tawrpani na matam state ki security or central security forces na fajana ngakpi ki daba thogdok amani Choshanpur gumba More gumba aro Imphal da thoiba sumba ubadagi tholakhibani agenda gi marakta kenomta agenda gi marakta kenomta thamjaoge tawon kainoni sir ekhoi gi Manipur se koi social media ne dagi media ki sinaw kharasu adum aina yamna Manipur ki lady was a turmoil statement gumakering of people was a section of P. Aduga media ki silinaw singasu tonganda CM set or Biren set and Amadugi recording gumalay Pombido di Paba. Adunata but the Nahansi I ada Nitiayo Kisat Peduda. Mizoramgi Anuba, Karakpo CM, Honorable CM do Unaba, they Nagaland Honorable CM Nefurio Sulera, Hamenta Sulera. I am the Unaras Wari what I saw. And Mayama Queen invite on Nobody. It's Nefurio Manipurong to Lap you ne. The man is Hamu Holbin Gikari Laone. Other minus some town, but the Mizoram CM Anuba Karapanina, Manasway go ahead. Sarang cannot Oraga Anobus Karapani and put on Gulak, Quibiro in a hyper. Although Hector's high, the cry, a popular university in high in high discuss and Nawaga Tokana say the interlocutor, how Krehadu, Togri and Torkunaiba. The Sukumasi are in the social media, the Libby become I know I may have a quote Kayorga the Are. I do not have unnecessary Sumaito with Sari Sargi through the house key, putting things in Manilo in the Manipur. Other media give paternity sing the freedom of press ni Haidana, don't do Bushi Sukraga Handana si Haidanaiba. I quishu Kanom has a sagat per lie Hazariba, the Winu Haidana, and the Makam Late, some Nadu interlocutor, Adu da Kalakpa, ministry label, the Home Minister PMOG label, the Torkadam, the Gumagi steps to local Pasulati, Kanabasuli, some of the Sahaksi that no one Sapiro Isulake. Adamina Nagaland is high, Adamaita no boy, and I send up to Thank you.